Good morning, all of you. The last class we studied about what is atom. An atom consists of three subatomic particles such as electrons, protons, and neutrons. Today we move to study about the structure of an atom. Let us understand how these subatomic particles are arranged inside the atom. How the subatomic particles are arranged inside an atom. On the basis of experiment, different model of an atom were presented by different people. Let's study about the features of a Rutherford atomic model. We can move through the features of a Rutherford atomic model. The first feature, that is, an atom is composed of positively charged nucleus and orbited by one or more negatively charged particles, that is called electrons. An atom that is composed of positively charged nucleus in atomic structure, the center we can see the nucleus and that is positive charge. Then around the nucleus there is electrons are revolving around. That electrons are negatively charged particles. So, the second point, the nucleus is the core of an atom. It has positive charge because inside the nucleus, protons and neutrons are present. The protons are positive charge and neutrons there is no charge. So, the charge of nucleus is positive. Then electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a shell, that is called, they are negatively charged. Then here one question, why the nucleus is positive charge? Because inside the nucleus protons and neutrons are present. That protons are positive charge, neutrons there is no charge. So the nucleus is positive charge. Then together the neutrons and protons give the nucleus its mass. But it is the portion alone, proton alone, which give the nucleus its positive charge. Then neutrons and protons are relatively massive and are essentially equal in mass. The negatively charged particle that move around the nucleus, that is called electrons. Then here this is the structure of an atom. The center, this is the nucleus and nucleus containing protons and neutrons. Here that cross, that is electron, black color that is proton, blue that is neutron. Then inside the nucleus we can see two type of particles. One is proton, another one is neutron. Then inside that around the nucleus the shell is there. Another name is orbit. Then electrons are revolving around the shell or orbit. Electrons moving around the nucleus in a particular path, that is called a shell or orbit. Then based on the given description, the structure of an atom, we can describe the structure of an atom. Atom have a nucleus present at the center and atoms consist of electrons that is moving around the nucleus. Then electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular path. That circular path of electrons are called shell or orbit. The nucleus consists of two kinds of particles, protons and neutrons. Protons are positive charge, neutrons are negative charge. So, protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleons. This is the description of structure of an atom. And let's move to what do you mean by molecule. An atom of many elements cannot exist independently. If they combine with other atom of the same element or other element, they exist as molecule. That means group of atoms join together to form molecule. Otherwise, a molecule is the smallest unit. That is called a molecule. Consists of group of atoms or they are particles of a pure substance. That means element or compound having independent existence. For example, here you can see two oxygen. Here one oxygen, another oxygen, two oxygen join to form one oxygen molecule. Then one atom of hydrogen and another atom of chlorine, that means one hydrogen and one chlorine join to form hydrogen chloride, molecule of hydrogen chloride. A molecule of hydrogen chloride is formed. Similarly, here two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom join to form one molecule of water, that is two hydrogen, that means H2 and one oxygen O, H2O, that is water. Like that water is formed. Then here we can see the atom of nitrogen forming a molecule. Then this showing that molecule is a group of two or more atoms that are chemically joined together. The atom of some elements such as helium and other noble gases can exist independently. Here, the atoms of the same elements combine to form a molecule of that element. Here, the same element, that is N and N. The atoms of same element combines to form a molecule of that element. Here, this is the nitrogen. For example, one atom of nitrogen combined with another atom of nitrogen to form nitrogen molecule, otherwise N2 molecule. This is forming a molecule. Now we study about the structure of an atom and molecule. If you take the structure of an atom, atom has a nucleus and nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Around the nucleus, electrons are moving around. Protons are positive charged. Neutrons are there is no charge. Electrons are negatively charged. Atoms join together to form molecule. Two atoms join to form molecule. Example, hydrogen plus chlorine, that is equal to hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen, two hydrogen and one oxygen, that is equal to water. Then oxygen and oxygen equal to oxygen molecule. And the same way, same atom, same element also combines to form a molecule of that element. I think you all understood this topic. Thank you all.